Hello, I'm Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most popular trading strategy, which is called order block. Order blocks are one of the most profitable situations that traders want to enter the market either for long or short positions. But you should be aware of that markets sometimes confirm order blocks and sometimes just ignore them. So this is so essential to know about that what factors and parameters order blocks should have to be confirmed by all markets. After examining tons of order blocks in different market charts, I can say that there are some specific patterns for identifying a successful or a high quality order block. At first, let me tell you about basic principle of order blocks and also what is order block in trading. Basically, we define the last candlestick that made the inefficiency as the order block area. There is two types for the location of order blocks and they can either create it at the start of impulsive move or at the middle of impulsive move. Additionally, there are some factors for order blocks confirmation. The first one is break of the structure or change the trend. This factor is so essential because it will tell us whether market wants to keep its trend or change it entirely. The second factor of order block confirmation is they should illustrate inefficiency. Inefficiency is the gap between the lower shadow of first candle and upper shadow of third candle in a bearish market. And also for a bullish market, the characters should be reversed. Third factor is order blocks are temporary positions and they can be utilized just one time for analyzing or predicting the next move of market. And we should be aware and conscious about this fact. Here is the Bitcoin chart and let me show what are order blocks. So these are order blocks and as you can see they are breaking of the structure and based on three factors these are confirmed. Overall, there are several steps if you want to use order blocks as a strategy in backstep trading. At first, we should identify a confirmed order block in the chart. Then go for it and set our order at the start of the order block area, and also the stop loss to target ratio should be around 2 1. As I mentioned earlier, there are some specific patterns that we must know about if we want to identify a profitable order block zone. The first essential parameter is market structure. I brought you a couple of market structures that happen every day, and this will help you to grasp the information about the structure of market properly. For instance, in this structure, we can see that there is a confirmed order block, and if we look at the left candlesticks and previous candlesticks, there is another order block in lower level and a gap or inefficiency between these two order blocks. It is so plausible that in next candles price come and fill the gap and then change to uptrend and increase sharply. So if we see this structure pattern in our trading, the essential point is that the lower order block is so vital and we should be aware of it, and there is a high chance of trend reversal after it. In another structure, there is a confirmed order block and previous candles, there is an obvious liquidity area that made a support zone, and if the price come back to this area in next days or next tradings, there is a possible sharp increase because in support zone there are a lot of buyers and it is a so interesting point for them to enter the market. And also order block in this pattern is so powerful and chance of returning to this area and a big uptrend is so high. And also I brought you examples to grasp information about order block entirely. The first instance is from Bitcoin market, and as I mentioned earlier, If we want to identify a valid order block, at first we should look for inefficiency or gap. For example, in this chart, we can see that after this candle, there is an inefficiency and a big gap. Let me grab the rectangle to illustrate it. This candle, it is a good order block. Let me type order block here. So this is our order block because after this candle there is an inefficiency between these points and these points, and also this is an interesting point for traders. And also this order block is changing the trend because at first the trend was downtrend and the price was decreasing, and after this order block, this is a consolidation area, and also after it there is a uptrend. And also this point is so attractive for buyers, and the optimum trade should go for long position with 2 to 1 stop loss to target ratio. And if we go for long position from this point, we can see how accurate is the order block. And based on the prediction of order block, we would go for long position, and we can see that how strong was order block, and the market after touching the order block area, it changes the trend to uptrend and the price increased sharply. And this proves how markets are sensitive to order block area, and we can make profit in all markets by just knowing about order block facts and its information. The second example is from gold market, and as I mentioned earlier, if we want to define a confirmed order block, at first we should look for inefficiency and gap. And in this chart, we can see that this candle is order block. And let me grab the rectangle and draw the order block zone. So this is our order block zone. Now let me type here. So we can see that after this candle, let me now it's better. After this candle, there is an efficiency which is here, and there is a gap between the upper shadow of this candle, which is the first candle, and the lower shadow of third candle. And this is the gap and inefficiency after the order block candle. And we can see that after sometimes the market want to return to order block, but the order block was so strong, and the market was so sensitive to this point, and after seeing the order block it changes to uptrend. And also this order block is a brick of the structure, and also this is the fantastic opportunity for traders, and the profitable trade should go for long position with 2-1 stop loss to target ratio. And if we go for it, let me grab the long position. So this is our target, and this is our stop loss. We can see that how accurate our trade was if we utilized order block as our trading strategy. And this is so accurate trading strategy. And also most of charts are so conscious about this area, I mean order block area. uh, as I mentioned in all of my videos, being a professional trader is not like just by memorizing, for example, what is order block or what is support and resistance zones, or for example just memorizing candlestick patterns. No, being professional trader is so similar to become a professional mathematician. In mathematics, if you want to become an expert and if you want to obtain a high grade, uh, just memorizing formula is never enough, and you should go for it and solve the problem. And the more problem you solve, uh, the better you will become. And also the trade is so similar to it. And if you want to become a professional trader, you should practice and rehearse all of the information and facts you know about the trade daily and hourly. And you should go for charts and analyze them and read them and try to apply your information and knowledge in the charts. For example, try to define the support and resistance zones, or for example, try to look for different candlestick patterns and see that what happened after that candlestick pattern, and for example, how much is your knowledge is accurate and how much it is reliable. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions related to order block or fair value gap or all of the trading stuff, you can easily ask me in the comment box, and I will answer it as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.